of all, I want to say thank you for helping me with my project.
What project?
This project where I'm going to ask you some questions. This little thingy is a microphone. See that? So I'm going to have you put it around your neck, and then your voice will be able to be heard on the video. And then the camera will also know that it needs to look at you. You don't need to touch it. It's fine just hanging on you like that. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. I'm just going to ask you some questions, and you're going to just tell me what you think. Does that sound good? Okay. So the first thing I want you to do is look at this pile of tiles. And before you count them, I'm wondering, how many do you think there are?
I think there's 30.
Okay. And what made you think 30?
Because I think all of them equal 30.
Okay. All right. Can you go ahead and count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Oh, I already counted them out.
Okay. So how many do you think there are?
27.
27. Okay, I'm going to take some away. Okay. All right. Would you go ahead and count these this time?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Okay. So you think there's 15? Okay. Can you write that number on this? Anywhere you want.
How do you write 15?
Do you know how to write 15? Well, what do you think?
1, 5.
Okay, I agree. That's how I would write 15. Okay, so here's a question. Is there another way you could count them? If you wanted to make it easier, to make sure, like I know before you were worried that you'd already counted one of them. Is there something you could do to make it so you wouldn't, so you'd always know which ones you've counted?
Take this one out.
Okay.
And
All right.
then take the other one out.
Oh.
And then if they're all in that pile, I counted them.
Okay, you want to do that and show me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13. So do you think there's 13 now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Can you write 13 on the paper? All right. If I were going to give you one more, let's say I wanted to put one more down, do you know how many you'd have?
14.
Oh, how'd you figure that out?
Because they're 13 and then comes 14.
Oh.
Because 3, 4.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense to me. How about if I gave you another one?
15.
Oh, now you'd have 15.
And
All
then
right.
16.
And it would just keep going?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go back to 13. Here's your 13. Do you know how many you'd have if I took one away?
13, it would be 12.
And how'd you figure that out?
Because 11, 12, 13.
Okay. So that counting helped you think about that. How about if I took one more away?
That would be 11.
How about if I took one more away?
10.
How about one more?
9.
9. Excellent job. Okay. All right. I have another question for you. Here's your 13 tiles. Do you think you have enough to make a group of 10? No? Do you want to see and find out? See if you can make a group of 10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh. 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We need to take
So tell me what you're doing there. What are you taking?
13, 12, and 11.
Oh, okay. Well, that's some good backward counting. You're going to double check?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes!
Okay. So did you have enough to make a 10?
Yep.
Yep. And I thought you might because when I looked at the number, I saw there was a 1 in the tens place and a 3. So I thought that might tell me there was enough to make a 10. What do you think of that?
Because if you take away this, because if you 1 and a 3 and you X out the 3 and put a 0, it equals 10.
It does. I agree. Wow. That is some good math thinking.
Mrs. Wong.
You learned that from Mrs. Wong?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm very happy about that. All right, I think that's all I'm going to ask you today. You were very, very helpful. Thank you very much. And you want to watch a little